This is lesson 101, number 20. It's one of those show problems. So usually I look at the right hand side just to see what, just untangle it a little bit so that I'll recognize it when I start messing around with the left hand side. So I started untangling it a little bit and I rewrote cotangent as cosine over sine. And then I remembered this was 1 over cosine, well, like secant and cosine are reciprocals. And then I saw, I didn't want to go too far over here because really we're not supposed to be messing around with the right hand side. We're supposed to be making the left hand side turn into the right hand side. But I did notice there could be a cancellation here, and I'd have 1 over sine times, there'd be a cosine there, and I got the half, and so I'll be looking out for that as I go along. So cosecant 2x, I was just going to look it up on my list, and I said, there's my double angle. No cosecant. Then I remembered cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so I knew that I'd have to use this. So I'll just write this as 1 over, 2 sine A cosine A. Hey! Man, I got lucky again. Didn't I just say, like, when I was messing around with this thing, I said, like, this thing would go like this, and this thing would go like this, and you know what I mean? So, but how can I write this as this? I'm pretty sure I can. That's kind of good that I did that over there. But I have to write the left-hand side to make it look like the right-hand side. So let's see how I can do that. We'll take the half off. Sine A. Sine A. Well, I don't know. I guess I'm probably going to just go ahead and just do this. You know what I mean? Since I know that it works like that. Just kind of rewriting that. And then this is so really what I did is I messed around and made the right hand side look like the left hand side, but I'm trying to play the game, so I'm kind of just going backwards on this. Okay, so then I can show my work that it canceled out or whatever. Right, because this thing right here is cotangent. And this thing right here is secant. Okie dokie.